Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Made CSIT. Today we are going to discuss the topic if, elif and else statement in the Python. So let's start with this. We will see the syntax of the if condition. Okay? If into bracket condition and the statement. If it has only one condition and a one statement. If this condition becomes true, then only going to execute the statement. If the condition becomes false, then it will not execute any statement. Fine. Next, elif statement. Here we have a two condition followed with the two different statements. Okay? If the first condition becomes true, then it will print the first statement. Otherwise, it will check for the second condition, and if this condition becomes true, then it will print the statement which is followed by the elif statement. Okay? The next statement, that is a if, elif and else statement. Here we have a combination of the if statement, elif statement, and again we have one more statement, that is a else statement. So we have two conditions and the three different statements. Okay? So starting with the first condition, if this becomes true, then only it is going to print the statement followed by the if statement. Otherwise, it will check for the second condition. If the second condition becomes true, it will print the statement followed by the elif condition. And if both the condition becomes false, it will directly print the else statement. Okay? I hope guys you are understanding. Okay? So let's start with the example. Here I have a Python shell. I'll take a new file. Let's start with the example. Suppose I have a variable a which has a value 10 and I have a b which has a value 20. Okay? I'll try to implement the if condition first. If b is greater than a. So this is my condition. Okay? Then I'll print the statement, that is b is greater than a. Fine. Okay, let's save the file guys. I'll save the file with some name and save it. Okay, run the module, run module. Okay, see the output guys. B is greater than a because this condition is true guys. 20 is greater than 10, so it will print that is b is greater than a. If you want to check guys, you can change the value of a. You can do it 30. Okay, again save the file and execute. यहाँ पे क्या होगा guys? This condition will become a false and then it will not going to execute any statement because अगर condition true है, then only it is going to execute the statement, otherwise not. Let's check it. See guys, यहाँ पे it compiles successfully, but it does not give you any output. Fine. See. Change the value again. Okay. Let's try elif statement here itself. Okay. So elif में we have a one more condition. Okay, into bracket. Suppose here we will check, that is suppose b double equals to a. मतलब दोनों value अगर equal to है तो what it is going to print now? That is a print into bracket double inverted comma के अंदर it will say b and a both are equal. ठीक है, यहाँ पे से colon missing है. ठीक है, we will put the colon. ठीक है, now here we have a two condition with the two statements. ठीक है, first condition it will check either b is greater than a. If yes, then it will going to print b is greater than a. If this condition becomes false, then it will turn towards the second condition. It will check again equals to a. If this condition becomes true, then it is going to print the second statement, that is a b and a both are equal. So here we have to change the value guys for the output. Okay, to print the elif statements output. Save the file again, press the F5. See the output guys. Both a and b are equal. Okay, because here 20 equals to equal. Both the values are same. So here it will print the output, that is b and a both are equal. Alright, so let's have the else statement along with that. Else statement don't have any condition. Okay, it just have a statement to print. Okay, so now here guys, if b is not greater than a and b and a both are not equal, then obviously what will be the output? That is a is greater. Okay, then you can say b. A is greater than b. मतलब If this both the condition becomes false, then only it will print the else statement. Okay. So इन दोनों condition को false बनाने के लिए we have to change the value. We will say a is equals to 50. Now here, see, save the file and see the output. It will say that is a is greater than b. So यहाँ पे else statement print हो रहा है. Fine. To make the statement, to make the condition true, we have to change the value. Okay. Accordingly, we will print the statement. I hope guys, all of you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.